In this video, we'll explore 20 of the best Stable Diffusion prompts to help you get started with Hayo Draw. If you're new to Stable Diffusion, you may be wondering where to begin. The prompts in this video cover a range of styles, from dramatic portraits to enchanted gardens. They are creative starting points that you can mix and match with different subjects and styles. Join me on Hayo Draw as we dive into these must-have Stable Diffusion prompts. By the end, you'll be ready to turn any idea into a visual masterpiece. A big thank you to Hayo AI for sponsoring this video. Let's start with some portraits and characters. From the world of dramatic art portraits to vibrant anime characters, these prompts are all about capturing moments and emotions. This prompt is both specific and flexible. It suggests a unique underwater scene with cool details like ethereal gown, but there's still plenty of wiggle room for the AI to work its magic. Make your own Mona Lisa with this prompt. It's not just about capturing a face, it's about capturing a feeling. The AI brings this strong, thoughtful woman to life as if painted by Da Vinci. This prompt gives you an action-packed, dynamic illustration of a superhero soaring high above the city. It's a page ripped right out of a comic book, oozing with strength and hope. This anime schoolgirl is full of life and color, with emotions so big they're practically jumping off the screen. The prompt captures the whimsical essence of Japanese animation. And now for some warm fuzzies. This prompt takes us to a cozy Pixar-style scene. The AI gives you lovable round shapes, soft lighting, and a color palette that's like a warm hug. It's a serious cuteness overload. And this prompt creates an action-packed scene straight out of a high-end video game. A warrior leaps into battle, striking a dynamic pose, and backed by a dramatic, sci-fi-filled backdrop. When you're completely out of ideas, you can use LLM to create for you. But when you have some inspiration, you can use the Improve function to perfect your prompt. Download Hayo AI and you have both drawing tools and an array of language models like ChatGPT and Claude. You can ask questions or upload a PDF or text file and interact with them through the AI. Imagine being able to have an intelligent conversation with one of your documents. How cool is that? Let's use Hayo AI to ask Claude for some inspirational photographic portrait prompts. And you can easily optimize your prompts by clicking the Improve button. Let's see the Improve tool in action. The Improve tool enriches your prompts and adds descriptive flair. You'll get 3 optimized prompts. With just a click, you can take your prompts to the next level. Let's change things up a bit. We're getting imaginative with futuristic design, sustainable skyscrapers, and enchanting interiors. These prompts experiment with texture, color, and technology in the name of fashion-forward art. This prompt creates a fashion editorial look that's both edgy and high-end. Avant-garde couture captured in stark black and white with a rough edge. There's a bold vibe that just screams rebellion. But don't be satisfied with today's fashion. Look into the future with a slick, metallic vision of what tomorrow's clothes might look like. It's all about high-tech fabrics, wearable technology, and a color palette that makes chrome look dull. Turn to dreams of sustainable skyscrapers, merging modern architecture with Mother Nature. Imagine a towering building with green walls and solar panels. Take the blueprint style and give it a green thumb. Ready for a slice of luxury living? This prompt creates a carefully curated space that screams contemporary chic. This loft apartment is all about living life in the fast lane. And add some high-end food to go with your luxury loft. This is food with style that could strut down a runway. Moody lighting casts dramatic shadows, blurs the line between food and high-fashion art. This isn't just a meal, it's a luxury experience. It's time to step into the realm of fantastical environments and natural wonders. We'll wander through fairy castles and alien landscapes. Whether you're a lover of the natural world or a dreamer of far-off worlds, you'll find something to inspire you. Let's start with the perfect morning by the lake as the sun begins to rise. The tranquil scene adds a morning mist that wafts up from the water's surface. It's like dreamy watercolor painting brought to life. And with AI, you can stop birds mid-flight, photograph the vibrant iridescence of the feathers sparkling like tiny gemstones under the sunlight. The background is a soft, dreamy haze of brilliantly colored flowers. And now for a flight of fancy. The soft, warm colors give this fantasy castle a cozy, enchanting vibe. This prompt transports you right into your own fantasy story. Let's be honest, who wouldn't want to live in this magical wonderland? Now let's flip the script to a grungy cityscape in a post-apocalyptic world. The prompt paints a chilling picture of abandoned buildings and a moody sky overhead. It's hauntingly beautiful, a grim reminder of what might be. From our world to another, this prompt takes you to a landscape filled with strange plants and moons hanging from the sky. But here's the twist. It's all painted in a classy Art Deco style. We're talking bold, streamlined shapes and radiant colors. Our final set of prompts create eye-catching designs. Embrace the simplicity of minimalist vector art, add 3D depth, and create moody sketches. It's time to use AI in your own design studio. Let's add some depth with a 3D prompt. The dragon's scales are so detailed they practically gleam. The whole scene feels like it's been yanked right out of a high-end fantasy video game. AI lets you be your own graphic designer. The illustration is modern and cool. Everything's distilled down to the basics with a limited color palette and simple geometric shapes. Can't draw? No problem. This AI image prompt does the drawing for you. This image is a hand-drawn pencil sketch, and the texture of the paper adds another level of authenticity. And finally, a bit of abstract art that's perfect as wallpaper for your screen. A fluid wave with a super calming color palette, and 3D fluidity gives it an extra pop of life. If you're not satisfied with these basic drawings, you can also use the advanced drawing board. Choose from more models and LoRA, and create pictures of more styles. Hayo Draw has models and LoRAs that let you customize your image styles. You can add HD restoration for better quality, change the aspect ratio, and make more images. There you have it, 20 Stable Diffusion prompts that you can use in Hayo Draw. Each prompt carries its own unique artistic flair and style, but it's easy to mix and match. Replace 3D dragons with superheroes. Transpose serene landscapes into alien worlds. Let your imagination run wild. These prompts are a window into a whole new universe of AI image generation. And when you're out of ideas, just check out Hayo's AI Art Gallery. It's filled with stunning images created by other users that you can use as inspiration for your own creations. Whether you're on your desktop or mobile, Hayo works seamlessly to provide you with an incredible AI experience. So get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI with Hayo AI. Share your favorite Stable Diffusion prompts in the comments below, and remember to share your images on social media and tag us at Making the Photo. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.